Myself Ravi Kant, I am the Deputy Director of Akash Institute, taking care of the Bangalore region. So today we all are here gathered for a huge thing, that is today we have got advanced results, JEE advanced result, which is one of the toughest examination or maybe the toughest examination what's happening in India. And there are thousands of parents and then students who are waiting for these results. Maybe after from 3 weeks, and today the results are out, and we are so happy to announce that we have 6 students in the open category secured below 100 AIR, and 35 students below 500, and 65 students below 1000 at national level. So this is the JEE advanced result as of now, and still the results are getting downloaded. Still there is an issue and results are still coming up, and these are the results, 6 below 100. And if we see the Bangalore part, we have 2 students who have secured two students secured below 100. One is Krishna Sai Sisir and the other is Abhishek Jain. Krishna has secured 67th rank and Abhishek has secured 78th rank AIR. So these are the 2 students, and there are many more children who have secured above 100. Like we have Sanvi Jain who has secured 421 rank, and then Megha Rao who has secured 896, and Kunal Paroda 1622, and then Kapil Paroda 2453, and there are many other ranks. Still the children are coming, and just maybe 2 hours back only the results are released, like Anirudh, Kanishk, Kavin. Many children have done really well in this advanced examination. Once again, we are telling you that JEE advanced examination, which is one of the toughest examinations in India, our children, that is from Akash, we have got a really wonderful result. And from Bangalore we have 2 students below 100, and there are 6 students all over India who have secured below 100. So I would like to congratulate all the children and appreciate efforts of all the parents, especially be felicitating all those kids who have secured wonderful ranks and after all this hard work. So once again, let us congratulate all the children.
Congratulate all the students across India, those who have been studying relentlessly for JEE Advanced. Perhaps some students might be studying for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years down the lines, and they have achieved some of the best ranks across India. And from Akash South region, if I say, we have achieved some of the best results from South, and we have achieved 4 ranks in below 100, where the first rank is All India rank 25, Rishi Shekhar Shukla, and we got All India rank of 67, Krishna Sai Sisir, and All India rank of 78, Abhishek Jain, and All India rank of 95, Ujjwal Singh. And similarly, we also got 8 ranks below 250 in All India rank, and 14 students below 500, and 21 students below 1000 All India rank. So once again, I would like to congratulate all the students and parents, and the teachers. More importantly, everyone has really worked really hard for this day, and this day has come true. Once again, congratulations everyone.
today we have JEE Advanced results released. So this is one of the toughest examination that happens in India, or maybe I can say the toughest examination that happens in India, maybe after UPSC. And now the results are so good that every year as Akash is growing, in all the streams results are also growing. And we have this year all over India 6 students scoring or securing a rank below 100. There are 35 students who are securing a rank below 500, and then 65 students who are securing ranks below 1000. So this is about the overall result in a glimpse of national result of Akash. Similarly, we have in the South India, the results are improving day by day, or you can say year by year. The South Indian children are doing really well, exceptional in all the examinations, that is NEET, JEE Mains or JEE Advanced examination. And this year also the children have performed really well from Akash. We have from South 4 students securing below 100 rank and 8 students securing below 250 AIR, that is All India rank, and 14 students securing rank below 500. And the best among all the ranks being 25, this is Rishi Shekhar Shukla, and 67, that is Krishna Sai Sisir we have over here, and Abhishek 78th AIR, and Ujjwal Singh 95, and then the other many results are there: 136 rank, 174, 245, 247, 348, 390, 394, 423 and 434. So this is one of the exceptional results that we have produced, and I think with this many children start getting inspired and they lose a fear for the JEE Advanced examination, because many children whenever they come they see that JEE Advanced is really difficult examination and all that, but once they see that these children are performing really well and able to secure really good ranks below 100 and below 500, and again while they talk to the actual children who have actually studied from the same benches, I think then they really get inspired. And this is a wonderful day of inspiration for all the children. And thanks a lot for all of you coming and spreading this great news to all the corners of Karnataka. Thanks a lot from Akash.
ಸೊ ಈ ಸಂತೋಷನ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾವಂತ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಯಾರು ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಫೆಲಿಸಿಟೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ನ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನ ನಾನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಆಕಾಶಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಪ್ 100 ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ 6 ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ 100 ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ 35 ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಟಾಪ್ 500 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ 1000 ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ 65 ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಆಕಾಶದಿಂದ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ 2 ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಟಾಪ್ 100 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸಾಯಿ ಶಿಶಿರ್ 67ನೇ ರ್ಯಾಂಕು ಮತ್ತು ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಜೈನ್ 78ನೇ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನು 2 ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಟಾಪ್ 1000ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಸಾನ್ವಿ ಜೈನ್ ಅಂತ 421 ಮತ್ತು ಮೇಘಾರಾವ್ 896. ಇವರು 1000ದಲ್ಲಿ 1000 ಒಳಗಡೆ 2 ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ನವರು. ಮತ್ತು ಕುನಾಲ್ ಪರೋಡಾ 1622, ಕಪಿಲ್ ಪರೋಡಾ 2453. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು 6 ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಟಾಪ್ 100ಅಲ್ಲಿ, 35 500 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮತ್ತು 65 1000 ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹಂತಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. 4 ವರ್ಷ, 3 ವರ್ಷ, 2 ವರ್ಷ ಈ ರೀತಿ. ಸೊ ಇವರ 4 ವರ್ಷ, 3 ವರ್ಷ, 2 ವರ್ಷದ ಸಾಧನೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರತಿಫಲ ನೀಡಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅವರ ಪೋಷಕರು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಪೋರ್ಟು, ಅವರು ಆಕಾಶ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮು ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಂಬಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕ ವರ್ಗ ಮತ್ತು ಇತರೆ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೆನ್ನೆಲುಬಾಗಿ ನಿಂತು ಅವರ ತಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ಈ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಯಾವ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲ ನೀಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎನ್ಹಾನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವರ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೋಪದೋಷ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಸರಿಪಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸಿ ಯಶಸ್ಸು ಗಳಿಸ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳದ್ದು ಜೀವನ ಮುಂದೆ ತುಂಬ ಉಜ್ವಲವಾಗಿರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತೀನಿ. ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.